AirPods Pro 3 battery drain can stem from several factors. First, active noise cancellation uses significantly more power, so only activate it when needed. Firmware glitches are a major culprit. Outdated software before iOS 18.1 and AirPods firmware 7A102 has known power management issues. Environmental factors like extreme heat or cold can also drastically reduce battery life. Charging habits matter. Using non-Apple certified chargers or overcharging can degrade the battery over time, leading to faster drain. Case drain often results from unpaired buds or issues like LED indicators using power even when the case should be idle. Recent data shows firmware issues account for 40% of battery drain problems, so that's the first place to investigate. To fix rapid battery drain on your AirPods Pro 3, start by updating your iPhone and AirPods firmware.